Hey guys, here's my photovoltaic trickle charger for my 1998 Toyota Sienna. I just put it in front of the old windshield. I just put it there. And right now it's it's creating 21 volts, which is perfect for a trickle charge. It's only 1 amp. And apparently it works perfectly. Now here's my question for everybody. There it is on the windshield. Like I said, it's perfect. I can't just plug it into the cigar lighter accessory port because I have to have the accessory switch on, with the key. And I don't want to leave the key in the car. Is there any way you can recommend where there's already a hole drilled through the firewall where wires or cables are already running through from the instrument panel through over into the engine bay? Where should I look for that hole? Where would that hole be located so I could run this cable through, okay, and attach it to the battery? Okay, any suggestions for my 1998 Toyota Sienna minivan where I should locate a hole going through the firewall through to the battery? Thank you. Blessings.